Good morning, peeps. This is Don Martin with thereasonablerealtor.com. Thereasonablerealtor.com. All three words have to be in there along with .com, or else you don't get there. I just wanted to say hello again this morning. Want to invite you to come and look at the website. Come and look at the blog. Continually working on it. Hope that it's more pleasing to people and hope that it's more pleasant for you to look at. I would especially like to invite you today to take a look at my offering that I'm working on now. I'm working on a beta version of it. It is a worksheet. It is several worksheets and checklists of your house sale transaction items, stuff that you don't need to think that you're going to need to know, but you do. You need to know all the details at some crazy time. You need to know where to find them. This is a sheet that you can print off and use it for your for sale by owner transaction, or you can use it for your transaction with an agent. Um, you can use it with any sort of, I guess, if you're selling your lawnmower, you can use this. It might be overkill. But use this, give it a try. Tell me what you like and don't like about it. Help me improve it. It's free right now. Get it, download it, print it off, use it. Just give me some feedback. Let me know what I should change. Eventually, uh, we will have a perfected non beta version of it. I don't know if there'll be a charge for it or not. It depends on how much we end up spending on getting it out there in production. Anyway, just wanted to say hi, invite you to the website, thereasonablerealtor.com. Go to the Start Here page. You can find a link on the Start Here page to it. You can find it in the services and products section. It is a printable PDF for your FSBO journal download. Let me know what you think about it. If you get a chance, subscribe to this website, this YouTube website. I would love that. Leave any comments that you can here or on the website. There is a copy down below of the actual link to get directly to the FSBO journal, the free printable um, journal for your use and enjoyment. Thanks again for being here. See you next week.